Hey guys, what's up? It's Pilar Newman. Welcome back to the channel. It is good to have you here, and it is good to be back on camera. Now, in this video, I'm going to go over 7 best side hustle jobs that are going to add cash to your pocket on the spot. So if you feel like your 9 to 5 is not helping you make your ends meet, you need a little bit of extra side hustle cash so you can go out for the weekend or pay your bills or add to your rainy day fund, then this is going to be the video for you to watch. Now, these are side hustles that I curated for you that are going to add about $200 to $500 extra in cash to your pocket this month. So if that's something that interests you, definitely stick around and let's get started. All right, so let's get started with the first one, and that is offering local SEO services to the small business owners in your area. In particular, I'm talking about helping them set up their Google business profile online. So this is that listing where when you're searching for something, for example, a local plumber, then you put local plumber in the search results, and that business will pop up in the Google search results, very well organized. You'll see online reviews. You'll see maybe the business's website, their hours of operation, the phone number for that business so that you can easily contact them. Well, a lot of small business owners don't actually know how to set that up properly. And it's actually costing them a lot of money in potential customers that simply can't find them. And this is where you can come in, offer your services, and charge anywhere between $200 to $600 to help them set this up. Now, if you don't know how to do this, don't worry about it. I'm actually going to share with you right now how you can learn that in about an hour's time. And if you want, you can actually go out tonight and start offering this service to the local businesses. Now, interestingly enough, the reason I added this to the list was because I was doing my regular long walk that I like to do every so often. I went in for a smoothie drink at a local business here in the area, and the owner and I got to talking, and he mentioned that he needed help getting found online locally. And I realized that he actually doesn't have this set up properly. So this is something that you can actually go in and talk to some business owners and start getting paid right now in cash. Okay. So if you want to learn how to do this and you want to learn it in under an hour, I am going to place a link underneath this video. It's going to share with you in about 10 different videos how to easily set this up for a business. And then you can charge $200 for your services, $300 for your services, or if you want to help maintain that Google business profile for these businesses, then you can actually charge on an ongoing basis to maintain these profiles so that they look professional for the business and they get found by their potential customers online. All right, so this next one ranks pretty high on top of the list for side hustle jobs that's going to earn you cash at the end of the day, and that is collecting scrap metal and sending it off to the recycling center for cash at the end of the day. Now, if you are someone that has time, if you have a truck and you want to drive around your area looking for scrap metals, you can actually collect a good amount of metals and turn that in for cash. Now, I just mentioned that I like to do these long walks in my neighborhood. Well, on a recent long walk, there was a homeowner who had an old washer on their front yard with a big old sign that said free, right? Because those homeowners generally would prefer to give away those old appliances for free than to actually pay someone to come and remove that for them. Well, that's something where you can go around your area, you can collect these discarded metals and cash that in. Now, the kind of metals that you can make money on that these recycling centers will take include washers and dryers, old plumbing such as your drains, faucets, pipes, wiring. You can do refrigerators, freezers, auto parts. I actually just donated my old vehicle to an organization, but had I wanted to make money off of that, I could have actually sent it off to a recycling center. Aluminum cans are going to make you the least amount of money, but if you go around collecting scrap metal with your truck, you can actually make a good amount of money, $200 to $500 in a given month, just doing that side hustle job. All right, so this next one is Craigslist. Now, I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with Craigslist. It's a website that's been around for a long time, and it looks like it's been stuck in the year 2000. If you look at their classified ad website, it's pretty much just a bunch of blue links. But if you check in their services category, you will see that there are a lot of freelance jobs that people are looking to get booked. And I've actually posted on that forum for freelancers to help me with the most random things. Now, for example, Again, going back to the old Boston high-rise apartment that I used to live at, when I first moved into that apartment, I needed someone to help me put up all of my frames, all of my artwork, all of my pictures. And so I posted onto Craigslist under that services area, and I offered to pay $60 for someone to come over for, I thought would take 2 hours for someone to put up all the frames and artwork on the walls. I had tons of people write me. I did get someone to come and help me with that, and it ended up taking them 45 minutes. So they made $60 in cash in 45 minutes. Now, if you look on Craigslist, there's tons of other gigs on there, from people looking for help moving heavy boxes for $75, or for people just needing help for the day with something else. You'll find a lot of jobs on there that will pay you cash right on the spot. So it's estimated that nearly 4 out of 10 households in the US have companion dogs living with them. So there's a good chance that someone in your area, in your neighborhood, will need dog sitting services at one point or another. And if you are a dog lover, or if you already have a dog, then this is something that can fit very well into your lifestyle. And a lot of these people will pay in cash. Now, the easiest way to get started with this is to simply post flyers in your area, letting people know of your dog sitting services. Now, a lot of neighbors, if they are familiar with you, if they've just seen you in the area, they might feel a lot more comfortable placing their dog with you than to have their dog somewhere else at a professional service somewhere a little further out. Now, if you don't know how much to charge, one quick little hack is to call a dog sitting service in your area, pose as a customer, and inquire about their rates. That will give you an idea of how much you should be charging for your services. Now, I have a few different friends that actually do this, and they just do this word of mouth. Again, word of mouth is a great way to get people to book anything with you, but dog sitting service is another way to do a job that pays you cash on the spot. Another thing that you can do is you can flip items. So let's say you have unwanted clothes or unwanted items hanging around the house. You're doing some spring cleaning and you're decluttering. Then you can snap a picture of those items and post them onto the Facebook Marketplace, and you can sell them locally and get cash on hand. Now, there are a lot of people who are doing this, and they're earning $700 per month simply from selling unwanted items from their homes. Now, if you want to take it up a notch, you can actually go to the big box stores. You can rummage through some of the clearance aisles and take those clearance goods and flip those on Facebook Marketplace. That will give you a little bit of extra money. Now, I actually used to flip a lot of clearance items. I used to do it on Amazon, but you can do it locally right there with Facebook Marketplace and make a good amount of cash and get that right there on the spot. Now, this next one is a big money maker here where I'm from. So I live in New England, but if you are anywhere where you get significant snowfall, then you can simply offer snow removal services, and you can make a lot of money in a short period of time during the next snowstorm. Now, you can charge anywhere between $30 to $100 per job that you do. Now, the easiest way to do this is simply, if you have a snow blower, you can walk around to your different neighbors and offer your services. Or if you have a truck, you know, you can always buy one of those attachable plows. You can go to different areas and help to dig people out of their driveways and, you know, charge a fee for that. Or if you want to get a really good workout in, then you grab your shovel, you walk around, and you offer your snow shoveling services to people in your area or wherever it is that you want to offer these services at. Now, this is a quick way to make money on the spot. Now, I know a lot of people make a good deal of money during huge snowstorms just simply doing this. And I'm talking about $1,000 to $2,000, and they'll normally go for hours on end doing this, because it's a really good help to a lot of homeowners who don't want to do the snow shoveling on their own. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do me a quick favor, like this video, as well as subscribe to my channel for more money making information, more money ideas. And if you want additional resources for how to make money, whether it is online or just to make money right now, then definitely check underneath this video in the description area for resources to how to make more money. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you again in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.